वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे द इंजीनियरिंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर की इंजीनियरिंग क्या है। सबसे पहले हम इनका इंट्रो पढ़ लेते हैं। इंट्रो के साथ इसका हम पहला पॉइंट पढ़ लेंगे। तो सॉफ्टवेयर लाइफ साइकिल क्या है, पहले हम इंट्रो पढ़ लेते हैं। ये MS लेवल का है। Traditionally, science concerns itself with discovery of basic principles, laws, and relationships, while engineering deal with the participle application of these. Software engineering attempt to combine sound engineering principle of design, management, testing with the concept of computer science in the production of computer software. To a person with experience in only small programming, the ideas of software engineering make seem unnecessary in program practice. However, two fact combine: first, practical software project, and typically another but small. Generally, these involve many tens of thousands of lines of code as well as team of programmer. As the size of project grows, the development cost more than linearly. A trend reflected by the curve. This is due to largely rapidly increasing complexity of large projects and the basic human inability to manage the complexity. Cost and time ownership are the inventable result. The second dominant fact is summarized in terms software evaluation. Software change constantly to accordance new user requirement to fix discovered bugs and to fit new host system. In many practical situations, the maintenance time for a piece of software vastly exceeds development time under the presumption that is easier totally view. Applying bad ads with a surgery is required, however, lead to more problem than it's avoid. Much of software engineering deal with the management of complexity in the we begin by discussing in second the phases of software project or software lifecycle. We can turn next to the process in second and the basic implementation of is in second and second looks a condition of process of programming. Bibliography is provided for those wishing to purpose the matter in more that I am ये हमने पढ़ रहे थे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग ऑफ कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर इसका हमने इंट्रो पढ़ा। अब पढ़ते हैं इसका फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ इसका फर्स्ट स्टेप पढ़ते हैं। सॉफ्टवेयर लाइफ साइकिल, सॉफ्टवेयर की लाइफ साइकिल क्या है। A large-scale software lifecycle project spans a considerable period of time. A number of distinct phases can be identified over this period of time. Together, these make up that is now our software lifecycle. While the actual terminology may differ, author different 5 key phases in life cycle. लाइफ साइकिल की बेसिकली 5 कीज है जिनके ऊपर पढ़ते हैं। रिक्वायरमेंट डेफिकेशन, डिजाइन, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, टेस्टिंग एंड ऑपरेशन। जैसे इसको पहले रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, उसके मुताबिक इसको डिज़ाइन किया जाता है, उसके बाद इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर देता है, इम्प्लीमेंट के बाद उसको टेस्ट करते हैं। एक आरामद ऑपरेटर और मेंटेनेंस, जब उसमें कोई खराबी होगी तो उसको ऑपरेट करके मेंटेनेंस कर देता है। और पा लेता है रिक्वायरमेंट। द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर आर एस्टैब्लिश एंड स्पेसिफाइड। A design is developed for analysis of requirement. The design is coded into particle programming land or particle machine operation. The implement system is it has to see that it seems requirement. The system is installed and used. Error found must be repaired. While a while a software project can be described in terms of 5 phases, then actual development process itself in an attractive one with both feedbacks and feed component. Each feed something forward upon which subsequent phases are read, but also feed information back to earlier phase. Implementation, for example, reveal design testing reveals must be checked carefully being used pass on the first requirement definition क्या है। Refer to the period during which the requirement of system desired, that is functional chart the stated need for software, typically the properties of strain that final product must satisfy. This is not design but rather proceed the design specifically what the system should provide, document something against what a design can be validated. Sometimes a quickly development prototype can be a useful vehicle for debugging requirement. As with any of phases, it is important that error can be allowed to move on subcontinent phases. An error is requirement, for example, miss do what is required. It is not allowed to see undetected until the permanent unsubstantiated. This is reflected, which show how the cost of fixing such an error growing exponentially when the plane is which is directed. This has been referred to as a piece of information specification with respect to error detection would be set to on the latter requirement are most effectively validated by the reviewing the required document of the client or whose software is being developed. आज का हम जो टॉपिक पढ़ रहे थे उसका टॉपिक था द इंजीनियरिंग ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर। उसमें हमने पढ़ा सॉफ्टवेयर लाइफ साइकिल। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर के बाकी स्टेप डिज़ाइन इसको इश्यूज़ को समझना आते हैं इसको हमने अगली वीडियो पर। हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन बटन को दबा दें।